Forget the 20 grand screenshots. Is a steady $500 to $2,000 a month realistic? And how long will it take?
Good question. So I always like to be very transparent, unlike a lot of, these online gurus where they overpromise and underdeliver. At the end of the day, I cannot guarantee any type of income because at the end of the day, all the results depend on you, right? It depends on your execution. So I have students of mine that make $100,000 a month, and those are top 1% results. That's not typical. I also have students that join my program and unfortunately they don't make anything, and that's no at fault to our university. It's just because they didn't take the action. So $500 to $2,000 is definitely on the lower end of, being extraordinary results. That's pretty common. But at the end of the day, it comes down to your execution. Now, while I can't guarantee you that you can get to $500 to $2,000 a month, because again, I don't know your execution. I don't know if you're going to show up and put in the work. What I can tell you is what my top students have done and what they were doing when they crossed that threshold and what I was doing when I crossed $500 to $2,000 a month. I would recommend that you have a product that's priced at least $500. I recommend that the way that you sell that product is you do it through what we call a value call funnel, which means that you give people a video to watch, 10 to 15 minutes long. They watch the video, they book in a simple 15-minute call with you, and then on that call is where you share the product, and that's where you actually enroll them into the product. No, it's not a sales call. It's called an enrollment call where you build a relationship with them, you answer the questions. There's a very specific consultative framework that I teach that can help you really give value to people before they join the program. So if you were to sell a $500 product to get to the $2,000 a month goal, you would only need to sell 4 of them a month, which comes down to 1 sale a week. So that's all you got to focus on. Control what you can. How much content do you post? How many messages do you send out? How many value calls do you take? And the lagging indicator, which you cannot control, which is the sales, will naturally follow the more you control the leading indicators, which is everything I just mentioned.